VFX footage.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, Jenny Talk here and Unisex. Today, before I continue with our talk show, I want to beg you for something. As you watch this video, I beg you in the name of God, don't forget to hit the like button down there. Don't forget to share with your friends, share with your loved ones, share with everybody. Don't forget to drop your comments down there in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and when you do so, on your notification button so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified by the ringing tone. Thank you and may God bless you. Today, I want to talk about Instagram matter, social media matter, people matter, a whole Nigeria, especially Nigerians, do want to attack each other for social media. Like so now they fight war. Wetin happen? I want ask. Wetin be una problem now? The energy, the strength when I go put to the hustle for our future. Now come on social media. Even some self, they don't get food to eat for real life. Not only for social media they take get strength, get mouth, they type. They will come people post. When not be you, not be you post them, not be you get the page. Another person page, another person post. People will comment their opinion, comment what they think. You know, when they attack them, you go to insult them. Most of them are going to insult people who be on mama age for house, people who be on papa age for house, especially females, young ladies. We're supposed to be respectful. They will come, they show their stupidity for social media. They're going to insult people we're supposed to marry. We're going to feel married and put them for us, take care of them. They're going to insult their senior brother mates for us. They're going to insult their senior sister mates. They're going to insult people when they be say in a real life, if they even see them say they don't feel game out, they're going to insult them. Not even say they insult these people because say they're at fault or anything. Based on say they just write comments. Something what they feel like, what they think, their own opinion. Why not if you don't agree with what the person talk or what the person they talk? You go all do like say you know see them. After all, they don't call your name put for inside. Not be waiting as in waiting they bother you for life. Not be there be the problem. Why not just be no see them? That one go they exchange ways they insult on ourselves. Especially when they make some of them they fight for social media and I waiting not even concerned them. What if they say people when they even fight for no even know now. See this TV show Big Brother what they do now. Because of that one want killing ourselves. People when they fight for they play their game there, they make their money. You just they judge what you know. They judge like say a good pass. They insult people because like say your own life you perfect, you be sent, you no get any error for where you dey, you no get stain. I beg you, it's too much. When I see they think sometimes when they do something now. The fact say you feel come on social media, come they say, come they type or come they comment, no give you the right to talk to people anyhow as you like. They showcase your stupidity online. You not feel get sense, not feel think before they do something. The one where they pay me pass, now the one where they will talk about who they speak English and who know they speak English, or they watch one post where they post now, they will say the person there you both tick. They say the person not speak English. They watch a TV show, all these Big Brother, they're gonna insult people where they there, who speak English, who knows speak English. I want to ask you one thing, who win this Big Brother money before last year on? I mean that worry guy who win and before this Big Brother win and last year. Now so you speak the big English for there. He not win the money. Sure you win now. English, what English don't do for now, but they now ask. Now when they form so now sabi the English when they speak well, nobody speak English now see who talk now go say you know sabi speak. It make you go back to school, make you go. You will go to school learn English. How far? You see them on social media, they find who you want to attack. They find who you want to pour your frustration upon. You go, you know it's too much for a beg. And another question I want to ask: those people when they thought say that they botic, especially the be boss, now I made the be botic. I want to ask you something. Person will be Igbo. What is supposed to be? Calabatic, Hausatic, Yorubatic, Abinitic, or Benuetic? Which tick you want make the person be? I better not this question I want me to answer. Because me now I be botic babe. Yes. Person go dey proud of where he come from now. Person go come dey fear una no fit express himself again. Make dem not talk say you dey Igbo or you not sabi speak English. Abeg, all of us must not go school. If we not go school, we not fit speak English. The little one we speak, we not manage am like that. If you not fit manage am, use your money go put the person for school, or as you self. And again, is small advice I won't give you now before I go end this talk today. That time, that energy they put for social media, where they fight for people, where they curse everybody, where they argue with no they put up for your pocket. I bet use them, put some, they struggle, do business, find work, put that energy there, make your life better first. As in fight for your future, your unborn children, where they go. If you get children, start now, they fight for them. That energy where they put for them, you know that's necessary now. Put them into something, into action, into something where we say tomorrow you go dey happy for yourself. Now they hear, now this small message that we bring come today because it don't too much. I beg, may we dey use our head, may we dey use our brain. Now thank you. I beg as to watch, don't forget to share. May God bless you all. See you again in my next video. Bye.